Hey folks, in today's video we're going to take a look at how to create intro videos using the online video creation tool called InVideo. This is a pretty cool tool that we bought recently, and we're quite happy with the way this functions. It's so easy to use. And you can use this tool to create videos for Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, a whole bunch of other things. It also lets you create stories for Instagram and Snapchat, and also Facebook these days. So if you had noticed the intro video that played at the beginning of this video, that was created using the same exact tool. So let's jump right in and take a look at how to create an intro video. So on the home page, there are three different options for you to choose from. The first one is where you feed in a script, and then the tool creates a video based on the content of your script. And then option two is there are ready-made templates available within the tool. Pick one and just get going. And then option three is you can build your own video from scratch. And this tool also lets you upload your own videos and images. They also have a whole bunch of, a huge repository of images and stock footage that you can use. And I think for the purposes of this video, we're going to make use of the ready-made templates that are available. So let's jump right in and take a look at how to create this. So I'm going to choose the option 2, which is create a video from a template. So as you can see, we got a whole bunch of templates here, and on the left hand side there are a lot of options, and I'm going to choose intro and outro. There's a whole bunch of options here that you can choose from for intro and outro videos. We got some really cool intro and outro videos, and I think for the purposes of this demo, I'm going to choose this one because I think this blends in with the logo that I want to use. So let's take a quick peek at this to see what this looks like. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. I like the colors because, like I said, I think it blends in with the videos. So before I choose that, I'm going to click here on top, and then there's an option called brand presets. So here's where I include my branding information. Right now this has been set to my company's, my marketing agency's information. So I'm going to delete that and replace that with my buddy's company, which is also a marketing agency. And I'm going to change that to this catalyst. I'm going to get rid of this image, this logo. Then I'll upload a new logo that I just downloaded. I'll probably use this one. I'm going to say yes. Then I think it automatically picks the color theme based on the logo. Facebook page, I'll change that. Twitter handle, I change that as well. Change this, change that, okay. And that's pretty much it. So once you have this information set up in your brand presets and save it, this tool will automatically start adding your branding information on top of all the videos that you create. Okay, so it'll be auto applied, and I'm gonna say yeah, go ahead and start creating my videos. So I'm gonna go back to option 2, and choose intro, outro. I'm going to choose this option, and I'm going to click on start with this template. Okay. So as you can see, it has pre-populated the branding info here. For some reason, I'm not seeing the stuff that I had punched in before. The Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram handles, they don't seem to reflect what I had entered in the brand presets, but I'm gonna take a look at this. I'm gonna click on preview to see what that looks like. So that's a preview, and what I can do here is maybe resize the logo a little bit. Resize this so that it appears bigger. Change these handles. For some reason, it didn't pick up the one that I had entered, so I'm going to manually enter it again. Okay, change this as well. It's supposed to take this stuff automatically, or at least I would think so. I'm not sure why it didn't take it, but it doesn't matter. I can edit that information here, and then I can click and drag and move it, right? If I want to place the info of my handles up here, I can do that as well, right? So I'm going to leave it where it is, or where it was. Okay, so, and let's see what that looks like. It's pretty cool, huh? Without a lot of effort, I think we were just able to create the intro video. And I'll see if there's a way for us to maximize this and see a preview. I want to see what this I want to see this with the audio track. I'm trying to see if there's an option to do that. Oh, by the way, by no means I'm an expert in using this tool, folks. I just used it once to create the marketing materials for our company. And then this is the second or the third time that I'm using it. I wanted to create this tutorial for folks like me who've never used this tool before but wanted to get a head start, right? So, okay. So what I'm going to do is click on preview and export. Okay, generating preview. Oh, there you go. Nice. Let me play that again. It's pretty cool, huh? So that's about 7 seconds. There's a few options here that you can choose from. On the right hand side, you can change the font size, the line height, style, text alignment, text colors. There's a whole bunch of options that you can play around, right? The animation. There's a lot of options here. The layers, right? Like what do you want to appear first? What should come next? And things like that, right? The sequence of the things that appear in the video. You can change all of that from right here. But we're not going to touch any of those, but just letting you know that you have those options to play around, right? If you want further customizations. But if all that you're looking for is a quick way to, generate an intro video, then you'll be able to do that without much of an effort. So let's go ahead and export this. Okay, then click on export. So it's still exporting, so you can see the progress here. So that's processing 2%. I think this depends on the speed of your internet, and possibly also the the processing capabilities of the tool itself, because I presume all of this happens on their cloud. So while that is happening, I think we can probably take a look at the pricing information. So this is the homepage of InVideo. Take a look at the pricing. They got 4 different packages. One is the free package, then the starter, professional, and enterprise. I'm on the professional version. And if you look at the free starter version, they give you 5 videos a month, and you can create videos in 720p. And it's got the standard media library, then 100 plus pre-built templates, videos of up to 2 minutes. InVideo branding, you can change the branding to yours. But then I think other than that, if you don't care about the InVideo's branding, I think you're all set to use to get started and use the free version. And then if you like it, you can probably upgrade to the starter. Starter gives you 10 videos a month. It's pretty good for a small business, and it comes with your personal branding. You can get rid of InVideo's branding and use your personal branding. And then if you want to, if you're a heavy user of videos, you run a lot of Facebook ads or Instagram ads, and if you're someone who generally creates a lot of video content for your social media handles, then I think professional is probably the best deal for you. You can create 30 videos a month, and all videos are in 1080p. And it's got a whole bunch of templates and videos of up to 3 minutes. And then again, you can use your own personal branding. And then the enterprise is for larger agencies. It's $100 a month, 60 videos per month. And then I think you get 50 premium videos per month from Shutterstock, which I think is pretty cool. So worth exploring, guys. Let's go back and take a look to see. Okay, here, our project's done. So I'm going to download this. Okay. And let's play it. Ready? Let's play that on full screen. And here we go. Pretty cool, huh? So a 7-second intro video that you can also use as an outro video, by the way. With minimal effort, you had to literally do nothing. You don't really need to be a whiz kid when it comes to creating videos. With just a few simple options, I think anyone can create a video using InVideo. And I think that's the beauty of this tool. If you're interested in purchasing this tool, then I've a link in the description below, and you can check that out. And if you have any comments or questions about creating more videos on InVideos, definitely feel free to reach out to us. Or if you already use the product, then if you need additional support, feel free to reach out to the InVideo support team. They're very responsive, and I think they also have a lot of expertise in creating these videos. So they'll literally hold your hands and walk you through your process step by step. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, folks.